Good morning, everyone. It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day. I know I just recently did one, but I personally love to switch up my meals pretty often because it helps me stay interested in eating healthy. So I just thought I would show you a few more quick healthy meal ideas that are super delicious and I know you guys will love. Anyway, let's get the video rolling and start making some yummy breakfast. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know that I've actually been sick for like the past 2 days. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but I've just had a really bad cold, I feel like. But I'm finally starting to feel better because I've been taking some medicine. So yeah, today for breakfast, I don't know, I just thought I should let you guys know that. But for breakfast today, I'm just gonna be making a yummy smoothie because I feel like it'll be really refreshing and just rejuvenating. So I decided on making a banana oat smoothie because that just sounded super yummy. So I'm gonna be using some almond milk, 1 whole banana, peanut butter, honey, rolled oats, and then I'm gonna blend in some ice after. I actually just decided I'm going to add some of this Vital Proteins collagen powder. That's really good for your hair, skin, and nails. I always forget to use it, but it literally has no taste. So there's just no reason not to use it, honestly, because it has so much health benefits. That smoothie is going to totally fill me up, so I'm also going to have one of these chocolate chip cookie dough protein bars. These are literally amazing. These are probably the best protein bars I've ever tried. It's the brand Kirkland Signature. My boyfriend gets them at Costco. They only have 1 gram of sugar but 21 grams of protein. Like, bro, that is so good. So here's what it looks like up close. This one has like little chocolate chip bites in it, and yeah, this is probably my favorite flavor out of all 4 of them. It's just so freaking delish. Good afternoon, guys. It's like 2:30 right now. I think I'm gonna make some lunch. I did throw on some makeup because I just wanted to look a little less sickly than I feel inside. So hopefully I can trick myself into getting better. So we're just gonna whip up a quick but yummy lunch. I was actually just watching the show called Make It or Break It. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it. It's a really old show, but it's about these girls who are training to be in the Olympics, and it's just so freaking good. I can't even tell you. Like, this is my 3rd time watching it through and I just freaking love it. You should definitely check it out if you haven't. If you have a Hulu account, let me know if you've ever actually seen it because yeah, definitely one of the best shows I've ever seen. I'm making a sandwich today for lunch and I'm going to be using these multi-grain sandwich thins. These are so freaking good. Like, I just love that they cut out like most of the bread so you don't have so many carbs. I don't care about that too much. Like, if I didn't have these, I would just use normal bread, obviously, but since I do, these are a really good like healthier option, which I really like. Oh, this is my go-to sandwich right now. Just some light mayo, some lettuce, and for some protein, I'm just gonna do some smoked salmon, probably like 2 slices. And instead of the smoked salmon, you could do salami or turkey. Like, those are great substitutions as well. Just super easy sandwiches. And just for a little more punch of flavor, I'm gonna add some of this balsamic glaze on top of the salmon. This is like my favorite thing right now. I've been using it like on all of my sandwiches. You can get it at Trader Joe's and it's just super delicious. I just do like a little drizzle on top. On the side of my sandwich, I'm gonna have some multi-grain baked crackers. These have 6 different seeds in them, as you can see. So yeah, they're not too bad, honestly, for crackers. So I just really like to have them with my sandwich. I feel like they're a really nice, you know, crunchy side. And sometimes I even throw like 1 or 2 on my sandwich just to give my sandwich a little extra crunch. so good. I have such a weakness for sandwiches. If you guys don't know, I just freaking love them. Got our sandwich, some multigrain crackers, and a little mandarin orange on the side. I've been loving mandarin oranges lately because they're just so easy to like balance out a meal with some fruit. They're a great snack too, super refreshing and delicious. So yeah, this is like a favorite lunch of mine right now. I absolutely love it. I of course have my water bottle with me at all times today. I'm trying to stay super hydrated. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I usually have those multigrain crackers with some garlic hummus from Trader Joe's, but I just ran out of it the other day. So unfortunately, I will be having them plain today, which is just, you know, it's not nearly as good as with the hummus, but we will survive. I'm gonna watch some more Make It or Break It while I eat my delicious lunch. So this is gonna be my kind of physical activity part of the video. I usually do a workout during my what I eat in a day videos, but I'm still very sick, so I don't really feel like up to doing my normal workouts. So I thought I would just get outside, get some sun, fresh air, and get a walk in, you know, because I've been sitting basically all day. So I feel like I should move my body a bit. And it's actually very nice out today. It's like freaking beautiful. The weather is like perfect. I'm so lucky to be here right now in the winter. And I'm with Ari and we're having a good time. Oh yeah, I'm also drinking this kombucha right now that Ari bought me for like my stomach because kombucha is really good for like gut health. This is like pineapple and peach flavored. Super good. I actually really like it. I'm having a little snack right now before dinner because I'm a little hungry. Just a bowl of mixed nuts. So I mixed together these chili and garlic cashews from Trader Joe's. I just recently found them and I'm obsessed. They're really good. They're like a little spicy. And then I also have in this bowl some of these everything about the bagel nut duo, almonds and cashews. So these are my favorites. These ones are not spicy at all, but I just combined the two because I didn't really have any left of this one. But I personally like these a little more than these, but my boyfriend really loves these ones, so you know, it's just up to you and your preference. All right, I'm about to make some dinner. I thought that I had way more food in my fridge than I actually do, so my plans have changed from what I originally thought I was going to make. So tonight's dinner menu is actually going to be a veggie bowl with some chicken sausage. Let's make it. Here is the finished dish. It looks so good. I made some Parmesan air fried Brussels sprouts, and then I sauteed some chicken sausage and red onion. This all looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels, gonna walk it out. That was seriously so good. Highly recommend. Like, it was so simple but so delicious. I am going to end up the night, of course, with some desserts. Dark chocolate pretzels, who could have guessed it? I just absolutely love these. They're so good, and I just stick to the serving size, which is 5 pretzels, so it's really not that bad, and I love that it's dark chocolate. They're so freaking good. So, and like I always mention, I do keep these in the fridge so that they're nice and cold because they just taste so much better that way. But yeah, I think that is everything I'm going to be eating for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a really great time filming it, even though I am still sick. I'm actually feeling like so much more like myself at this current moment, which is really weird because I've just had like that whole entire body like sickness feeling, you know what I mean? Like your whole body just feels ill. I guess my medicine must be working. Luckily, it didn't last that long. Like I've only been sick for like the past 2 days, so that was actually a very quick recovery. I think it was just like food poisoning or something. I really don't know, but luckily it's ending. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did make it to this part of the video and you have some video suggestions for me, definitely let me know in the comments below because I could always use some more video ideas. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.